Few pins around the circle, so I've got all 4 layers being held in place. I'm going to go close to the edge, but not too close. Okay, once we've done that, let's open this up and we can cut some of our squares out. So lock that stitch and then let's sew. All the way to the end and lock that stitch there. Okay. And then if I remove that, what will happen is I will end up with a seam that I can open up. And then just press these open. Okay, so I'm going to press these open and then we're going to build up the rows so that I've got 3 levels there. Okay, so now I've got these panels, I'm going to put them good sides together and I'm going to just sew a straight line all the way down, making sure I catch the ends of these. And in order to make sure I've got these, because it's used denim, it tends to have a mind of its own. So what you want to do is be careful to make sure that you are matching the lines up. And you can either use a peg or grab a pin. And I'm going to put pin in the seam like that, and then make sure I catch them all as I go down. So we need a square for the first one, so we make sure we line it up properly and we join in the right place. There we go. Just grab my square and I'm going to just make sure we are following the right line. There we go. Circle's just gone a bit awry there. There we go. Okay, so now I'm just going to press everything open. Okay, now the next thing we want to do is just fill up these empty areas with these squares, and they should fit nicely, perfectly. And it's actually seeming like that they might be too big. And then what we'll do is go over them with a sort of a nice decorative edge, a zigzag maybe, or I don't know, a straight stitch, but something to hold it all in place.